Hello, this is a test to see if the Energy Kodiak with the General Electric, you can see it, but I don't know why it's looking like that. That's better. This is a microwave. It is off and it's not charging my computer. I want to see if Kodiak Energy, and this is really about 70 years old, and this is my project I got running again, if this could power it. If not, I'm not losing real good money, but I like it a lot because of that. So I'm gonna see if these two could run it at the same time. No problem. This has 1100 curb power usage. There you go. This is how much energy it's using. Sorry about the cord. Push it back. See the numbers, the amperage. There you go. This is the amperage that it's using. And when I open the door, you see the watts pick up. 57. Close the door, the light goes back out, everything's working. It's charging the computer up here. It's a low energy, so it's only 37. Like I said, this has a self-contained battery in it. These Dells are the most wanted ones. They're hard to get. They use about 75 watts when they totally dead. They go down to 20 watts when it's being used to 30. Let me program the let me clear it. Clock, put the clock in it. Two. Clock. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay. Now I'm gonna test to see how much energy it uses. Oh wow. Ooh. I didn't think it drew that much energy. $1,300 watts. It's only a 700 watt. And I know that's not drawing that much. I have this water in there to test to see if it's going to do the full minute. There you go. This is the wattage is drawn out of the battery. This is something that's been sitting for 6-7 years. You wouldn't normally do this, but if you want to heat up something real fast in a car, this is good for a little car or car camping or small truck camping. Space saver. Can this power it? This is Energy Kodiak. When the other one shut down, it was 33 minutes, and this is going past this point and drawing more energy from the unit. You wouldn't normally do this. This is a test, and I'm only running about 3 or 4 minutes. Wow. Wow. I cannot believe this. Energy Kodiak did good. Wow. And this is an old unit. Oh my God. This is so cool. This is so cool. And it still works. You hear the fans cooling off from all the energy being drawn out of it. Well, that proves older is a lot better. Wow. I did not think this would do it. Unbelievable. And it's going back up in energy too. Look at the watts. Man, older is better. I have not seen the new ones do this. Wow. Look this. Everything works, and the power of the battery's coming back up. You can see it's going back into the blue. Picture this, you just want to use the microwave temporarily just to thaw off the meat real fast during the power outage so you can put on the grill. Shame these are the ones that they should have kept up and selling. Yeah, you gotta have a power inverter on to charge it, but you know, it works. It just works. Unbelievable. I got more experiment to do. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a nice day.